perfect homes, and today I'm going to be showing you this townhouse near Jed Yod, which is only 5 minutes away from Maya Mall. It has 3 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms. The total space is 18 Sq.wah and 150 square meters. Let's go and check it out. And this is the first bedroom on the first floor. Once you walk in, you have these 2 beds, really cute. Look at that. And right here is the bathroom. You have sink, toilet, and shower area. Let's check out the second floor and the third floor. This is the second floor. When you come in, you see this living room. Right here is the dining room. It's really cute. And here is the kitchen. Wow. Have the fridge, the microwave, oven, stove, induction fan, sink. And here is the bathroom. Exciting. Now let's go check out the third floor. And we are on the third floor. It's for the master bedroom. It is partly furnished. As you can see here, you have the balcony. And then you have this big walk-in closet area. Look at that. And here's the bathroom, which has 2 separated toilets and shower. We're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment and click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!